we're going to show you how to use your outdoor shower and gas outlet. So we simply locate this, clip it up. So the bottom one down here is for the shower, and this one here is gas for your gas lead. So you'll be given these two hoses. This is for the gas and this is obviously for your shower. So at the end of the shower you'll see there's a little nog there and there's a little groove into that one. So all you do is simply line them up, give it a quick push, make sure you've got your water pump on inside, and then you've got an outdoor shower. If you push down and push it up, there will be a continuous flow, otherwise you can just go like that. So then to remove the hose, you simply slide that back and the hose pops out. Now it's a good idea to empty the water from your hose for storage, otherwise that water will go yucky and smelly in your hose. The next one is your gas lead. So you just take the little clip, red clip down, you take this end of the gas lead, lock it up into place. The other end of the gas lead screws directly into your barbecue, so you have a non-regulated barbecue because we're using the regulator and the gas bottle from the motorhome, so this will screw directly into your barbecue. If this doesn't fit your barbecue, you can get these adapted with a gas fitter to fit your barbecue. Then you simply turn and you can hear the gas coming through. Turn it back off once you're finished, and again, same as the hose, you slide that sleeve up and that comes out. And then put your cap back on, and that's how you use your shower and gas lead.